Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show how to move your website from Squarespace to WordPress. If we want more flexibility, customization, and control over our website, WordPress is a great choice. Now let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. After that, we log into our account. Once we are logged in, we go to our profile and click on the account dashboard. When we are in the dashboard, we click on our website. Now we see our website interface and we go to Settings. To find Settings, we can locate it in the lower part and click on Settings. Under the Website Settings, we scroll down to Import and Export Content. Here, we find the export key to move our site from Squarespace to WordPress. If we click this, we will see a WordPress option. We just need to click that. And this is how we move our Squarespace site to WordPress. Once the migration is complete, we can fully customize our site and use all of WordPress's features.